Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 30 of 1000. So hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, I'm going to try and make $1 million in 1000 days. So what is my FIRE plan? What is my financial independence retire early plan? So my plan is to buy 300 shares in Tesla. So at the moment I have about 210 shares in Tesla. So my ultimate goal is to accumulate 300 shares in Tesla. I intend to hold these shares for at least 1000 days no matter what. So if the stock goes down by 50%, I'm going to hold it. If it goes up by 20x, I'm still going to hold it. So no matter what, I'm going to be holding it for 1000 days. I'm going to continue to invest in Tesla. I'm going to try and dollar cost average in regularly. So I've been doing that for the last 18 months now. I've been successful with that. I've been able to build a position of 210 shares in Tesla. So I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares. And also I'm going to buy the dip as well. So whenever there's a dip in the market, whenever there's a dip in Tesla shares, I'm going to buy as much as I can. So my aim is to keep lowering my cost basis to buy 300 shares for the least amount of money. So that's my FIRE plan. I intend to buy 300 shares in Tesla eventually and hold it for 1000 days. And if my calculations are correct, I should be able to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, I'm going to try and make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to go through the following. So I'm going to be sharing my day 30 portfolio with you. I'm also going to be looking at the Tesla 1-year chart, and I'll also be sharing my strategy to build my position. So let's get into it. So it's day 30, 31st of January 2022. I've got two portfolios, Portfolio A and Portfolio B. In Portfolio A, I've just got under 119 shares. In Portfolio B, I've just got under 91 shares. So that's how many shares I hold in Tesla. In total, I have 209.61299 shares in Tesla. So I've managed to accumulate this position. It's been about 19 months now. I've slowly dollar cost averaged into Tesla shares. Whenever there's been a dip, I've tried to buy more. I started my first investment in Tesla with £50, and I've slowly started to accumulate more and more over the last 19 months. So my ultimate target, as I said, is to reach 300 shares in Tesla. At the moment, I'm 69% of the way there. So hopefully I'm going to get there as soon as I can. If I can take advantage of the dips, if I have capital available, I'm going to try and buy the share for as low as possible. So that's the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla. So what's been happening to Tesla? What's been happening to the market? So it's been a rough day for Tesla. It's down about 5%. When I made this video, the price was hovering around the 950 mark. It was actually 949.08. So it has been a lot of weakness in Tesla stock. So, there is a lot of pain in the market. But as I say, as a long-term investor, I'm not going to look at the daily fluctuations. I'm more concerned about trying to lower my cost basis. I'm more concerned about building that 300 position in Tesla shares. And, this is actually a great opportunity for long-term investors like myself to try and buy as much as possible. So it's gone to a support level. It's broken the 1000 level. It's gone down to 950. So this is a time for me to buy. So what's my portfolio value at the moment? So if I multiply the number of shares that I hold by today's price, which is 949.08, my portfolio value at the moment is $198,939.50. So the daily movement downwards is just under $10,000. So as I said, it's a lot of money, but I'm not going to be too concerned. I'm not going to look at the daily fluctuations and worry. I'm more concerned about trying to build my position to 300 shares. So that's day 30 of 1000. So now let's get into a technical analysis and see what's happening. So this is the Tesla 1-year chart. So as you can see, price movement is in candlesticks. We've got the MA50 in the blue line is the MA50 and the red line is the MA200. So the price has significantly broken under the MA50 and now it's looking for support. Today it's been a really bad day. It's broken the 1000 support level and it's found some sort of support at 950. So if we mark this chart up, you can see we've still got the trend lines intact. So we've got T1, T2 and T3. So it's an upward trend line. And then we've got T4 and T5, which is a downward channel. And then we've got support S1 at 1000, which was broken today. And then we've got the T1 support trend line, which is around 950. So it's going to be testing this at the moment. If it breaks this, then the T1 trend line is broken, and the next support line is going to be S2 at around 900. So if it breaks the 950 level, it's going to go down to 900, and if it breaks the 900 level, then it's possibly going to go down to the MA200, which is again a great buying opportunity for long-term investors. So I'm rubbing my hands together. I'm hoping that I can raise some money and buy more shares in Tesla, because I'll be able to buy this fantastic business, this fantastic company for less money. So that's the 1 year technical analysis chart on Tesla. So let's have a look at the MACD analysis on Tesla. So as you can see, the MACD histogram, which is in blue, it's going down, and it's going down sharply. It's in the negative territory. I thought yesterday it was going to level off, but it hasn't leveled off. There's more weakness in the market. There's more weakness in Tesla stock, and it's continued to go down. The black line, which crossed under the red line, is also moving down at a faster pace, and the red line is also moving down, and the actual distance between the red line and the black line is opening up more. So when that happens, there's more weakness in the market. So there's definitely weakness in the market. There's weakness in Tesla stock, and the bears have taken control now. So before there was a lot of indecision, there was like bears and bulls on an equal footing, but now the bears have taken control, which is great for long-term investors like myself. So that's the MACD analysis on Tesla. Now let's have a look at the RSI analysis. So as you can see, RSI has broken the 50 level. It broke it a while back, and it's continuing to go downwards. So again, there is weakness in Tesla price. The momentum is now downwards, and I wouldn't be surprised at all if the 950 level was broken and Tesla found the next support at 900. And if the 900 was broken again, then I suspect it will go all the way down to the MA200, which is an absolutely fantastic place to buy, because, you know, Tesla won't reach the MA200 regularly. It's like, you know, it will happen. It's happened a few times over the span of 11 years, but you know, it's a rare event. And if you could buy the stock every time it hit the MA200, and you could accumulate as much as possible, you would be able to make a lot of money. So this is an opportunity for long-term investors to get as much money in as possible, because, you know, at the MA200 level, you know, a lot of people are going to be buying compared to selling. So that's the RSI analysis for Tesla. So let's have a look at the candlestick analysis for Tesla. So as you can see, the last candlestick, the last bar, it's a big red bar, and it's gone down about $50. So this is a big move downwards, and it's gone from it's broken one support level and dropped all the way to the next support level. So this is a very, very strong move downwards. So the bears are in control. They are dictating the price movement. There's so many more sellers compared to buyers. Sentiment has shifted from the bulls to the bears. They're in control now, and they've driven the price down to 950. So the next stop, I'm thinking, is going to be around the $900, which would be like an excellent buying opportunity. So if you are a long-term investor, you know, this is where you think, oh, should I be buying more? Should I be lowering my cost basis? Should I be increasing my position? You know, you should be revisiting your price. You should be revisiting your price targets. You should be revisiting your thesis, just to see if everything is intact. So I've done all of that. I still believe Tesla is a brilliant company. I still believe in my price targets, and this is just an opportunity for me to buy even more shares. So that's the Tesla candlestick analysis. So what are the key points to remember? So Tesla has broken the $1,000 support. The bears have taken control. Tesla price has found a support level at 950, but the price could drop further to 900. So again, I'm just watching this carefully. I'm just hoping I can raise enough money to buy as much as possible. So for me, the next point to remember is Tesla is now on sale for long-term investors, and they are now scrambling to buy as much as possible to reduce their cost basis, and they are absolutely loading up. I know a lot of long-term Tesla bulls, and they really believe in this company, and they are just going hell bent over buying as much as possible. So this is like a sale. This is an absolute sale for people who believe in Tesla. So what do you do now? So you should know the key support areas for Tesla. Where are you planning to buy? If you've been like thinking, oh, Tesla is overpriced, should I buy? This is like an opportunity for you to actually get in. So this is where you have to remove your emotions, look at the long-term charts and think to yourself, is this a good place to buy? Is this a fantastic company? Is this a great business? Does this have a long-term future? So if you believe in Tesla, then this is a very good time to buy because price is depressed. It's at $950. At its high, it was about $1,250. So you're getting it at a significant discount compared to like the all-time high. So this is the time to load up. So those are the key points to remember. So what are my buying levels? So I've got this all, written up. I know this by heart. So, my first support level was 1,000, which is broken. And now it's gone to the S2 level, which is $950. After that, it's going to go to 900. And if it breaks the 900 level, then it's going to go to $793, which is going to be an absolute bargain at the MA200 level. So know your support levels, know your buying prices. Remove all the emotions out of like your long-term strategy. What you need to do is be more mechanical. So if price goes down here and my thesis is intact, then I'm going to buy more. If price goes down further and my thesis is intact, I'm going to buy more. So you have to be more mechanical about this. The more mechanical you are, the more you can remove your doubt, your anxiety, your fear, and you can just like buy. And you can just invest, and you're not investing based on your emotions, which is the worst thing you can do. You're investing based on your thesis. You're investing based on like scenarios. So that's the best way to do it. So those are my buying levels. So what is my plan now? So I'm going to continue, as I always say, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares and buy at regular intervals no matter what. So if the price was at $1,500 at the moment, I would still buy. If the price was at $300, I would still buy. So that's a given. I've been doing this over 19 months and it's worked really well for me. So I'm going to continue doing that. I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging into this share. So I'm going to try and build my position further. So I have some money on the side. I'm trying to raise some more money, so hopefully I can take advantage of this dip. And finally, I'm not going to sell my position. I'm going to hold it no matter what. I'm going to hold it for at least 1,000 days, and I'm going to try and accumulate 300 shares. So if my calculations are right, if I hold it for 1,000 days and I'm able to accumulate 300 shares, I should be able to make $1 million. So that's my plan for now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to follow me on my journey. I hope you follow me to see if I can build my position to 300 shares. I hope you can follow me to see, if I'm going to hold this position for 1,000 days. I'm going to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to try and hold this position and, ride whatever storm is in front of me. And hopefully, if my calculations are correct, if my theses are correct, I will be rewarded over the long term. So yeah, join me, and I appreciate any likes, and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value, and I wish you all the best on your investment journey. And until the next update, have a great day, and I wish you all the best.